memories and wish them the very best on their future endeavors. Without further ado, let us commence this special farewell program to honor our beloved sisters and teachers. Flowers are medicine and happiness to the mind and soul. The tradition of giving bouquets on farewells traces back to centuries of human history, reflecting sentiments of appreciation, affection, and goodwill. As we bid farewell to our beloved sisters and teachers, I request my co-mates to present these bouquets as a tangible expression of gratitude and fondness. Teachers and all my fellow mates, I'm very thankful for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to bid a heartfelt thanks to Mrs. Poonam Joshi ma'am for being the part of Nirmala family for many years. आपका साथ धूप में छाँव है, आपका साथ समंदर में नाव है, आपका साथ अंधकार में प्रकाश है। कर रहे हैं आज आपको विदा, कर रहे हैं आज हम आपको विदा, पर दिल में आप ही का नाम है, पर दिल में आप ही का नाम है। So first of all, on behalf of all the students, I would like to say a huge and heartfelt thank you to the teacher who taught us to learn even outside the classroom and encouraged us to think out of the box. Poonam ma'am is like a book full of moral stories. She acted not only as a teacher but also a well-wisher. Many of you might think that becoming a teacher is the most easiest job in this world. But no, it's not. Teacher is not a profession. It's a passion. Therefore, a professional person can definitely be a good teacher, but a passionate person is always the best teacher in the world, as our Poonam ma'am is. Poonam ma'am, as a teacher, always inspired us to overcome our fears and encouraged us to explore to new ideas without any hesitation. She taught us not just to fulfill her duties, but more to satisfy her heart. She has a magical and spiritual glow in her eyes that used to make the class so energetic and powerful, and I'm sure that each and every student sitting here of hers might feel them very lucky to become a part of her class. I would say that it is not very easy to have a luck to get such a wonderful वही एक सच्चा, अच्छा और विद्वान शिक्षक है।
Anything but to feel a few things twice. Like Avyajali said so many things. I don't know half of them are true or not. But thank you so much, Avyajali, for all your beautiful words. Good morning, everyone. The manager, Reverend Sister Ritti, the principal, Reverend Sister Sneha Matthew, Reverend Sister Suja, my friends and colleagues, supportive staff, and today's very special audience, my dearest loving children. As everything good comes to an end, today marks the end of a wonderful chapter in my life as I retire from a career that has spanned over 24 years as a teacher and 12 years as a student since Nirmala is my alma mater. It's finally the day to bid goodbye to my favorite place, a place where we laughed, learned and grew together. I say this because you have always inspired me, dear children, to be what I am today, a learner first and then a teacher. A big thanks to all of you for teaching me to be patient, resilient, innovative, and sometimes childlike. Dear children, without you, this journey would not have been possible at all. It is not so easy to say goodbye. So when tomorrow comes, I'm going to miss countless things in Nirmala Convent. But what I'm going to miss the most is the echoes of your playful laughter, interesting classroom interactions, the jokes exchanged that created an environment of learning beyond textbooks. And I think many of you would agree to that. Not only this, I shall never forget the excitement before morning assemblies and special events, the nail-biting moments to make sure that nobody forgot their lines, and sheer joy after perfect or nearly perfect performances. These are the threads that bind us together, dear children. And it's not going to be the same anymore for me now. All these years, each class was a different experience for me. But there was one thing common in each class, that all of you were enthusiastic learners, ready to explore, came up with new and innovative ideas. So I request you to keep up that spirit always. Follow your passion, write your success stories, and be a proud Nirmalite like I am today. There is so much to say, the list is endless, and we have no time. न जाने कितनी बार मैंने कितने कागज लिखे और कितने फाड़े ये देखने के लिए कि स्पीच लंबी तो नहीं हो रही या लोग बोर तो नहीं होंगे. But before I conclude, I would like to especially thank our principal, Reverend Sister Sneha Matthew, Sister Suja, for giving us this opportunity to be with all of you one last time physically. Virtually, I am always available. Please don't forget that. I would also like to thank all the teachers and students on behalf of Sister Suja and each one of us for putting up such a wonderful program. Such a wonderful program. So let's give a big round of applause to Team Nirmala for their enormous job. For me, I am truly touched and will cherish these moments in the years to come, क्योंकि ये जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा. As I leave today, I carry forever in my heart the echoes of cheer, cheer, forget not of pain. Wake up the echoes, cheering again. With a prayer for all of you, my students, that you hold the torch of Nirmala Convent high and are forever marching onward, onward, onward to victory. Thank you so much once again. May you ever be blessed with smiles and success and make us proud. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sister.
ये से रेगिस्तान है, घर से गंगा की धारा जिसकी मीठी तान है, म से मिट्टी देश की जिस पर हम कुर्बान हैं, प से पर्वत की चोटी, ध से धरती न्यारी, नी से नील गगन है, नीले फूलों की क्यारी। आपने अपने सुरों से मेरे राग है बनाए, आपने अपनी मेहनत से मेरे तार सब तक समृद्ध बनाए। हमारे सुरों की पहचान आप हैं, हमारे पलटों के सुर आप, हमारे हर गीत आप हैं, क्योंकि इसके निर्माता ही आप हैं। हमारा मीन में न्यास लेना आपको भाता नहीं, आपकी हर डांट हमें मंजूर थी, क्योंकि आपका प्रेम संगीत में था।
हमारी गलतियों में हमें सुधारा और हमें ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाया। हमारे लिए संगीत नाम से सबसे पहली दृष्टि आपकी ही आती है, क्योंकि हमारे लिए संगीत तो आपके जरिए से ही आया। हम धन्यवाद करते हैं उस संगीत का जिसने हमें आपके जैसा एक उस्ताद दिलाया। आपने मुझे या हम सभी को सिर्फ संगीत ही नहीं सिखाया, परंतु उसमें हमें जीना सिखाया, प्रकृति के साथ संगीत जोड़ना सिखाया, असंभव को संभव करना सिखाया, हर ताल में सुर जोड़ना भी सिखाया।
हमारे भीतर जो संगीत की एक कला है वो आपकी वजह से है। आप हमारी प्रेरणा के निरंतर स्रोत हैं। माना कि अब आप हमसे दूर हो जाएंगे, पर आप हमें हमेशा याद आएंगे, क्योंकि आपका संगीत और हमारा संगीत में प्रेम आपके जरिए सीमित हो रहा है।
And my dear loving students, very good morning to all of you. Today I am here to express my gratitude for completing my 29 years of service in this prestigious institution. It was a wonderful journey for me. Thanks for the beautiful program. Give a big hand to the musicians and singers who sang it. I know that after finishing their unit test, they are running to us. And they said to me, sir, you please leave this room for 2-3 days. Because we have to arrange the program for you and Poonam ma'am and Sister Suja and Sister Joy. But I know how much hunting they were making. Sometimes teachers are saying, no, don't go. So, at this time they asked, sir, हम कैसे आए बताइए अभी. But again they were running to the music room, coming to the class, again coming. So this, so salute those instrumentalists and vocalists. Thanks for beautiful program once again. My love and blessing to you all. God bless you. Thank you. Om Shanti.
Yesterday, our memories of yesterday will last a lifetime. We'll remember the best, forget the rest, and someday we'll realize that these are the best of times. Good morning, everyone. It is with complex emotions that we have gathered today to bid farewell to someone whose absence will most certainly be felt in every corner of the school. She is the engine of our Nirna family, someone who has worked relentlessly and tirelessly for as long as she's been here, someone who has held the school together for so many years. And I know for sure that we will never get used to not seeing her face every time we visit the office. Dear Sister Srija, I thank you for your years of hard work, and I know for sure that it is not easy for us to say goodbye to you, just as it is not easy for you to say goodbye to a place you have known for so many years, a place that has become your second home. But I want you to remember that as long as we hold onto these precious memories that we share and keep moving ahead, we are sure to cross paths again. I, on behalf of all of your beloved children, wish you nothing but the best as you embark on this new journey. Thank you.